Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. It's one of the stronger ones today because it is holding so far first of all the 50% FIB level of this move between the 10th of March and the 14th of March. Here we have here possible wave 1, then an ABC structure down in a wave 2, did hold support, and we're now rallying. Could already be in this third wave, yeah, but things are not that clear at the moment. Let me just move the waves across here. Things are not very clear at the moment because the move so far is not, it is strong. Yeah, well, not really strong, but it's stronger than many other charts today. But not as strong as on the Bitcoin chart, and not a clear indication we are already in the third wave rally. Yeah, Bitcoin is leading at the moment. So one is just trying to find its party suit, I guess, while Bitcoin is already at the party. We are moving here in something that you could consider, first of all, either a triangle. So we are going to be forced to make a decision here, or the bulls and the bears are forced to make a decision and come to a conclusion. Then we are already doing something that you could call an inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, which is a possible bottoming structure here in this wave 2, ready for a trend reversal from a wave 2 into a third wave rally. We are now just at the breakout point, which is basically here, and it is at 2.17 cents pretty much, you know, plus minus a few fractions of a cent. And this, normally I don't use head and shoulders, but it's always nice showing, especially if you're heading into an apex. So a decision is due anyway. And if a third wave is upcoming as well, because it just supports the thesis. So I really only show these, let's call them retail patterns, when it is supported by the Elliott wave analysis. And here it would be. What would be the target for this third wave? So to calculate that target for the third, we would be looking for the 1.618 FIB extension to the upside. We're talking about 2.97 cents as a minimum. It should ideally go higher. This level is also the previous wave 1 high, so there is likely going to be strong rejection there. Purely and simply using the target of the inverse head and shoulders, which I don't really like to do, but it's certainly something a lot of people do. It would take us to the 1-to-1 ratio at 2.54 cents, which is typically also a level where we should see some kind of a reaction, because the 100% extension, the 1-to-1 ratio, is typically a common target, at least, where you start to see some kind of rejection from. Yeah, and so momentum is up, trend is up. We are at a breakout point. Always try to point out things before they happen. So I better quickly upload the video now, because it's already trying to break through here. We don't exactly have the volume yet, and that's sort of what makes me think, is this really carried by volume? Is this really something real? At the moment, it's not really showing it. I don't normally wait for volume to make a trade myself, because volume, typically when it shows up, the crowd is already there. You're already late. So it's a bit like waiting for confirmation. Some people like to wait for confirmation until, let's say, a third wave is confirmed, by the time it has already moved 50%. So that's always the balance every trader needs to decide for themselves. But yeah, that's my view about Harmony One. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.